I've already sectioned my fullest wig off camera just to make this video as short as possible and also to make the work faster and easier for me. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chidima. In case you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing before we dive into this tutorial and put on your notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video, because I bring in amazing wig styles on this channel. And for my old subscribers, thank you for tuning in back. So in today's video, I want to show you how to make this jumbo full-lace wig. Jumbo twist braids using a full lace wig made out of Kaneka long hair. In case you're interested in purchasing full lace wig, closure, frontal, any type of wig closures, just check my description box, the column that says to order a wig. You get my contact from them. So to slick down the hair, I use shine and jam. But along the line, this part is optional. Using shine and jam is optional because along the line I discovered that it didn't make any difference, and even I preferred the ones I did not use shine and jam. So first off, I'm partitioning the hair again, each row partition, so that you'll be clearer for you to see what I'm doing before I start everything proper. So the hair I use for this wig is two colors of hair, one in color 33 and one in color 35, and I cut into two parts into two. So for me to start, I first of all pop the hair in the middle. That's my closure full lace wig, the part I sectioned out already. Then I put my braiding hair. This is the amount of braiding hair. You know, it's a jumbo braid style, so I'm going to use bigger amount of or bigger size of braiding hair. Then I use my black rubber band, those small black rubber bands. That's what I'm using here. So after which I will make sure that the hair is tight enough, that the hair on the full lace wig is tight enough, and I join the two hairs the way I'm showing you here on camera here, and start twisting tightly. Make sure you twist tightly. Okay guys, this is what the back side looks like. I'll go ahead and continue this way to make the rest of the hair. So I'm going to leave you guys to watch and enjoy this video. In case you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. As usual, I will answer any of your questions. And to order any of my products, like I said, please check the description box, the column that says to order a wig, or I will pin a comment in my comment section so you can get my contact from there. So after braiding the hair, I'm going to tell you what I did. After braiding the hair the way I'm showing, I'll go ahead to trim the hair and dip the ends in hot water, only the ends in hot water, and use a hot towel to tap on the body of the hair. I did not put all the hairs in hot water so that I will not end up losing the thickness of the hair. So guys, you're going to see everything I talked about on this tutorial or in this video. Please stay tuned to the end. And again, if you have not subscribed to my channel to this moment, please, I'm begging you, hit the subscribe button. It will not cost you anything. Just subscribe and push your notifications so you get notified whenever I post new videos. So guys, keep watching and enjoy. I will come back again and talk to you. So guys, I want to quickly show you something, how to hide your elastic band from showing. You know, I'm using elastic band. The other method I used in braiding the other parts, the elastic band was showing, but it's not noticeable, it's not visible that much. But I want to quickly show you in case you want to know how to hide the elastic band completely. After tying the hair with the elastic band, or rubber band, yeah, make sure everything is secured. Take all the hair and join to the braiding hair in the on top, while you use the one under to wrap the root of the hair before you start twisting. Did you get that? Just watch, everything is very clear. Watch what I'm doing. By so doing, you will hide the elastic band from showing. So guys, keep watching. I will talk to you guys again. Bye. Now this is what the wig looks like. I'll go ahead and trim the hair. You know, I'm not going to dip the whole of the hair in hot water. Make sure I trim the hair properly. After trimming the hair and the braids, I will dip the ends in hot water. Just watch, keep watching, see what I'm telling you. So you see why I use 33 and 35, so I'll have the kind of low light highlight kind of situation. I love this color so much. So after trimming the hair, next thing I'm doing is to dip the hair in hot water. Not the whole of the hair, I'm dipping only the tips in hot water just to secure the hair from unraveling. Then I'll use hot soil to dab on the body of the hair, the wig, as I'm showing. This is to make the hair the braids to relax more without losing the density or the thickness. So this is what the hair looks like after everything. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking with me till this moment. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section, and let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comment section. Thank you again. I appreciate your time. In case you want to order any of my products, my wig, please do check the description box, the column that says to order a wig, or you check my comment. I'll pin it in the comment section. So guys, I'm feeling this wig. This wig looks so beautiful. Let me know your thoughts also about this hair. So guys, I am very grateful for your time. I'm very grateful for your support. Please keep supporting your girl. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also share this video. Let me know what you guys think in general. So guys, I will leave you guys here till next time. I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.